this one to all of you. To all the beautiful ladies. Mas lalo na yung mga single. Tsaka lahat ng mga nanay. Okay, para po sa inyo. When my legs don't work like they used to, and I can't sweep you off of your
Thinking out loud again.
Will your eyes still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? So darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Honey, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of your hand. Me, I fall in love with you every single day. You'll understand. Sing with me. Honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that we found love where we are. When my hands are gone and my memory fades, crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul can never grow old, it's evergreen. Honey, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of your hand. Fall in love with you every single day. I'm hoping that you'll understand. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. Thinking out loud that we found love right where we are. We found love right where we are. We found love right where we are. Thank you. Thank you. Gusto niyo pa ba?
Yes!
Okay, yun. Medyo mainit. Yun, once again, okay pa rin lahat? Lahat ng mga nasa taas, hello! Once again, ako po si Nino Alejandro ng King Lea. And before we move on, invite ko po lahat. May kumuha po ng kopya. May bago po kaming album, ang Top 16. Hello. Ang Top 16 ng The Voice of the Philippines Season 2. Gumawa ko kami ng album. Kasama rito sa album na to yung mga favorite kanta namin sa live shows. So, lahat po ng kasama si Jason D, Lea Patricio, lahat kasama rito sa album. Lahat po ng paborito nyo nandun. May mga kanya-kanya kaming singles. It's entitled The Final 16 under MCA Music. Please kuha po kayo ng kopya. It's only 300... Saan ba? Diyan sa likod, diba? Yan. 350 pesos. And pagkatapos po may meet and greet kami, we'll sign the album po para sa inyo. Selfie tayo. It'll be a lot of fun. And maraming salamat na rin po sa SM City, Cagayan de Oro, SM Supermalls for having us here. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Of course, to ABS-CBN. Thank you very much. Our home, Abrilio Furniture, and of course, to MCA Music. And para po sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat po. Give yourselves a nice round of applause. Ako, tuwang-tuwa po ako at lahat ng mga ibang artists na nandito po kayong lahat ngayon supporting the voice of the Philippines and for Filipino music. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, mga kaibigan. Anyway, ngayon, itong kakantahin ko po ngayon is my single from the new album. Ito po isa sa mga nag-viral na video sa internet, sa YouTube, nung kinanta ko po ito. Kung alam niyo po, itong song na to, sabayin niyo ako sa pagkanta para sa lahat ng mga rapista dyan. Here we go. Here we go.